Welcome.
What is happening here? Huh? Mr. Man, who are you?
He was just about to leave.
Hey! That doesn't answer my question. Where is my son? Charity! Where is my son? Oh, dear. You are not talking again? You have become dumb and deaf. Okay, I am coming. Hey!
What are you still standing over there doing? I asked you to leave and I was not kidding.
If I must live here, I must live with you.
What did you say?
I said if I must live here, I must...
I heard you the first time and I'm thinking that you're stupid. Get out of my house!
Baby, I'm going nowhere without you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.